Welcome to your seated yoga stretch, perfect for small spaces like this hotel room or when you don't have a yoga mat and you can just practice on the floor, on the carpet. Let's begin in a cross-legged sit. Just sit comfortably with your legs crossed and spine straight. Roll your shoulders back and down, and then drop your chin down to the chest and begin to circle your head from one shoulder to another. Make some half circles or even full circles if that feels good on your neck. Move as slow or as fast as you like. Bring your head back to center and lower your right ear towards your right shoulder, stretching the left side of the neck. You can stay still in a static neck stretch or move your head a little side to side, up and down, to find the best position for your neck stretch. Take another breath here and switch sides. Lower your left ear towards your left shoulder, keeping your right shoulder down away from your right ear, and find the best position here, again staying still or moving a little. Slowly bring your head back to center. For a little twist, place your left hand on top of your right knee, right hand behind you on the floor. Sit up tall as you inhale, and with exhale twist and look back over your right shoulder. Stay here, breathe deeply into your chest, belly, side and back ribs. Take one more big inhale. And with exhale release, come back to center. Place your right hand on top of your left knee. Lengthen the spine, inhale. And twist to the left, exhale. One more deep breath in. And out, release, turn yourself back to center and straighten your right leg out to the side for a side stretch. Keep your left heel close to your groin, bring your right hand to your right ankle and reach your left arm up and over the head, big side stretch. As an option, you can also bend your left elbow and bring your hand behind your head. That might give you a little deeper stretch. Remember your breaths, slow deep inhales and exhales. One more full cycle of breath. And slowly release this position. Bring your right leg to the center in front of you. Left foot on the right inner thigh. We are going into forward bend. Just bend forward over your right leg and catch your shin, ankle or foot, or just rest your palms on the ground. Find a nice deep stretch on the back of the body, on the hamstrings, lower back, maybe something on the groin, hips. One more full breath in and out. Then lift your upper body to come up to seated position. Cross your left ankle over your right knee and bend your bottom leg to come into seated pigeon or figure 4 stretch. Flex your left foot to keep your leg engaged and feel a nice stretch on the left outer hip. Keep lifting your chest up to your left shin to increase the stretch if you like. Maybe also rock a little side to side if that feels nice on the hips. Just one more breath here. And release. We will repeat everything on the other side. So straighten your left leg out to the side. Bring your right heel to your groin. Hold your left ankle and reach your right arm up and over the head. Arm straight or elbow bent, hand behind the head. Find what feels nice on this side and breathe there. One more full round of breath. And slowly release. Bring your left leg in front of you. Adjust your right foot to your left inner thigh and fold over your straight leg to find a nice stretch on the back of the body. Slowly come up and for a seated pigeon, cross your right ankle over your left knee, bend your bottom leg, find that outer hip stretch and stay there. Stay still or rock the hips a little side to side, find what feels nice in your body. Just one more cycle of breath. and then release. For our last pose, bound angle or butterfly, bring the soles of the feet together and open your knees wide. Hold your ankles, shins of feet, and you can sit upright if you already feel enough stretch on the groin and inner thighs, or bend forward to increase, to deepen the stretch. Again, find what feels good in your body, find your edge where the stretch is not too painful, and stay here for a few more breaths. Breathing in and out through the nose. One more breath in, full breath out, and lift the torso to come back into cross-legged sit to finish this yoga practice with one more breath together. Inhale, reach your arms up to the sky. Exhale, bring your palms together to your heart. Thank you so much for sharing this practice with me today. Have a great day and see you in the next video.